Hi there. This is a showcase of the JVC L-F71 automatic turntable with track select function. I bought this turntable pretty busted. The track select function wasn't really working that well. It has a broken tone arm lift. Well, don't know if you can see it, but there's a little piece there, here, that stabilizes the tone arm when it's gliding, and that's not really working, but I'll have to glue that. Anyway, the speed wasn't working properly on this one. It is now. Turns out the pot was just dirty and it needed a little bit of contact cleaner. Besides that, the track select wasn't working properly. Turns out there's a little sensor too, actually, in the cartridge, which take care of the track selection. And when they're dusty or dirty, they don't really work that well because they depend on light. So just cleaned it off, and that was actually it. Set the arm, the weight, and it's actually really great. It is one of the quietest turntables that I've ever had, and I can show you that. Well, it is absolutely silent. I cannot hear the thing spinning at all, and I can't say that of any other turntable that I've seen or owned. Anyway, on to the good stuff. So press the start stop button to just get it to track 1. I've muted the audio, by the way, just for YouTube content. So now it's just, as you can hear, it's playing track 1. If I wanted to go to track 5, just select 5 on there and then press the start stop button. The arm moves back and then goes to the 5th track. Usually what happens is it sets it down at the end of the previous song, so you will hear a little bit of a tail from the previous song, but I mean, I guess that's a limitation of the technology. Otherwise, if I want to go to track 2, just press this, arm goes back to the starting position, and then goes to 2. That's cool. But you can also just decide to skip a track. Just like that. If you don't want to hear a track, you skip it. Yeah. What else is there? It has a repeat function. So let's say I go to track 6. Just gonna repeat that. You could also have it go, for example, it's track 3. So that's a cool way. Like, if you wanted to go to the end of the record, but then have it play a specific track afterwards because you like it so much, you know, you can have that. You have your size selector, which is pretty standard, and your speed selector. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, yeah. But the speed is just fucking dead on, rock solid. Doesn't flutter, doesn't move. Even though it's just an FG servo, it's not a quartz locked system. Yeah, what else? The tone arm lift is electronic, so there's a motor that pushes it up. So that's why when I press this button, it all works electronically. For me, this is really cool. I love techie stuff. I know JVC invested a lot of money in developing good tone arms and servo systems to play pretty warped records. And it's not being seen as very high-end for a lot of audiophiles, and I don't really care. This is the little brother of the QL Y5F or 55F, I think, because those actually also move the arm in the vertical position, or like they have two servos, and this one only has one servo for the horizontal movement. Yeah, that's it. Fucking love this turntable. It's amazing.